Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google guy here, and today I got a good one for you around NotebookLM and analyzing company financial data. So if you're still drowning in financial spreadsheets trying to manual forecast your Q4 cash flow, stop. You're wasting hours on work that AI, or in this case Gemini, can do in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how NotebookLM, otherwise known as Gemini Notebook now, can instantly analyze your finance documents and automatically project your accurate Q4 numbers. We're in NotebookLM. I have uploaded 3 individual spreadsheets. The first, I have created a spreadsheet for or containing 3 years of quarterly balance sheets highlighting the end of year cash flow dips. That's that historical balance sheet. Second, I've created a second sheet of Q3 and Q4 2026 vendor invoices tagged by risk categories like essential and discretionary for the AI to analyze. And third, I've created a spreadsheet for historical operating cash flows, revenues, and explicitly calculated net burn rates to give Gemini Notebook the historical context it needs. So that's a historical cash flow sheet that I've added here. So I've uploaded all 3. They're in Google Sheets. You could, of course, use Excel if you wanted to upload those. But what we want to do is we want to cross-reference and cross-examine the data that we have here. That honestly is what I think NotebookLM/Gemini Notebook is its biggest strength. So analyzing the data, cross-referencing, cross-examining data that's there. So let's get started. So I've already got my prompt ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that and paste that into the bottom middle of our screen. I'm going to have the action taken as a ruthless CFO. I want to cross-examine the historical Q4 burn rate trends and ending cash balances against the unpaid invoices scheduled for Q4. Generate an automated cash flow projection highlighting our Q4 liquidity risks. Specifically, point out which discretionary expenses we should freeze immediately to avoid a cash crunch. Now, do keep in mind, this is kind of dummy data that I wanted to use. It's nothing connected to any particular company or client, just as a quick disclaimer on that. But let's see what it's going to give us. So we're going to go in that bottom right corner of the screen, and also kind of keep in mind it may take a second for it to look and analyze that data. And then also with the results and with the data that we've got here, don't forget the tools that we can look at on the far right side of the screen in the studio to work with these different references and the cross-examining of data that we're doing here. So we'll give it a second for it to do its thing, and we'll see what it does. All right. Well, as that ruthless CEO and the result that we got, we're on the verge of a self-inflicted liquidity crisis. And as your CFO, I will not sit by and let this company drift into insolvency. So now it goes through the cross-examination piece and the data that it has returned on that. It's getting very specific on that information. Published 4 critical deliverables from the studio to the right side of the screen. The cut list, so it's looking at those different invoices that we've got going on. So very detailed, very quick. This actually took about, I don't know, a minute and a half, 2 minutes for it to go through and analyze. So I did kind of shorten that piece up in our video, but you'll see it actually gave us 4 different pieces in terms of liquidity projection chart. We got a payables composition chart, cash flow projection report, and cash flow projection sheet. So we also got some additional pieces there. Stop stressing over the Q4 financial planning and let Gemini Notebook do the heavy lifting for your business today. Feed that raw company finance data into Gemini Notebook. Also keep in mind that your data is secure here in Notebook. We are working with a walled garden. It is not looking outside of the sources that you've selected on that left side of the screen. It is only looking at the data there, nothing else. It's not going out into the web and making it available there. Hopefully, this highly specific prompt has given you some deep financial analysis output that you are hoping to find and look for with your business. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update. And once again, use NotebookLM for cross-examining, cross-referencing material and information. That really is the strength of this application. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off, signing out.